Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to enable network sharing with a NAS server or a Linux operating system. So what you have to do is you have to go to Control Panel. Just go over there and press Control Panel, type in Control Panel, and go here, and then the next thing you have to do is to go to Network and Internet. And go to I'm sorry, not network and internet, it's hardware, it's programs actually. It's turn on program features, so turn Windows features on and off, on or off. So you go to SMB1 /CIFS File Sharing Support. This should be enabled, and if it's not, then you're not going to be able to use it. So when they update Windows, sometimes this gets unchecked, and if it's unchecked then it doesn't work. Then you can't share files with your NAS server or different operating system other than Windows operating system. So you just click OK. You may have to restart your computer. However, if you want to write a batch script, you can do that as well. And the way you do that is you just this is the command to check if it is enabled or not. SMB1 Protocol is enabled. So you go to command prompt right here and run it as an administrator, just like that, and just type in that code or copy and paste it. So it shows that mine is enabled. If yours is not enabled, then it's going to show that as well. It's going to show disabled. To turn it on, you could just type this in. Sorry, copy that and type it in. Just type this and type this to enable it. Mine is already enabled, so I'm not going to do it. So what you can do, but I'll type it in again. So it's enabling features, but it's already enabled. Not going to do anything. So it says operation completed successfully. So you could turn it off also with this command right here. But you could just write a batch script, and if you have a lot of computers in your network, you could just write a batch script and do this on it. Use the batch script to do it on every computer instead of like going to every computer and doing it. So you could just use like remote desktop access and just do it for each computer. It's much faster than just going through, let's say, 50 computers or something. You just type in the command right here, paste it, and then you just save as. Type here, save as. We'll call it SMB enabled, SMB1 enabled.bat. So it's got to be at, you got to put all on it, all files, and type in that thing, .bat, and then save it, and then you should be able to run this batch script anywhere. If you want to be more fancy about it, you could first check to see if it's in there. So this will check to see if the SMB1 is enabled or not. You could write a small script, echo is it enabled or not? Yes, Y for yes, and N for no. What I put on there? I'll put set P, put entry equals whatever the person enters. We'll set up a conditions. If the entry is equal to Y, go to, if it is enabled, then yes, then go to not, you just make that up. Else, if entry is equal to N, go to yes. So put not right here, and that will exit out of the program. And I'll put yes right there, and if it's yes, then it will run the program and exit the program. Else, go to start, go to begin. Let's run the simple script. It's a little more fancier, but with selection.bat. I'm gonna run this now and see. Select. Wait a minute. Pause it so I can see it. I didn't run it as administrator, that's why. So I have to run it as administrator and test it. Okay, now it works. So it says everything is enabled, so I press any key to go. So is it enabled or not? I'm gonna put yes. So it exits the program, so I'll do the next one. I didn't run it as administrator. So if you want to run it as administrator, you can just go to properties here, go to advanced, I just forget it. Just go here and just type. Just go here and run as administrator again, and you get that. And let's say it said disabled. Then I would just say, is it enabled? I put no. then it would run the script and exit the program. But I want to put pause in there so I can see it. I'm going to redo that, run it as an administrator. No, it is not enabled, let's say. It's all disabled. So now it runs the program and it says now it is enabled. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. You could also run it under PowerShell, but I'm just doing it for command prompt. I think that's good enough. You could write a script for command prompt and you can just run this on every computer through your network. That script that I just wrote, and you should be good to go. Okay, thanks for watching my ACE 1000 KS 1975.